Hello, friends! Today we'll learn about animals that live in the jungle. Listen carefully and say their names with me. Let's go! Lion.
Lion.
This is a lion.
This is a lion.
Tiger.
Tiger.
This is a tiger.
This is a tiger.
Elephant.
Elephant.
This is an elephant.
This is an elephant.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
This is a giraffe.
This is a giraffe.
Monkey.
Monkey.
This is a monkey.
This is a monkey.
Zebra.
Zebra.
This is a zebra.
This is a zebra.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
This is a hippopotamus.
This is a hippopotamus.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
This is a rhinoceros.
This is a rhinoceros.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
This is a gorilla.
This is a gorilla.
Cheetah.
Cheetah.
This is a cheetah.
This is a cheetah.
Panther.
Panther.
This is a panther.
This is a panther.
Parrot.
Parrot.
This is a parrot.
This is a parrot.
Toucan.
Toucan.
This is a toucan.
This is a toucan.
Chameleon.
Chameleon.
This is a chameleon.
This is a chameleon.
Frog.
Frog.
This is a frog.
This is a frog.
Jaguar.
Jaguar.
This is a jaguar.
This is a jaguar.
Sloth.
Sloth.
This is a sloth.
This is a sloth.
Anteater.
Anteater.
This is an anteater.
This is an anteater.
Bat.
Bat.
This is a bat.
This is a bat.
Tarantula.
Tarantula.
This is a tarantula.
This is a tarantula.
Python.
Python.
This is a python.
This is a python.
Leopard.
Leopard.
This is a leopard.
This is a leopard.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee.
This is a chimpanzee.
This is a chimpanzee.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
This is a crocodile.
This is a crocodile.
Orangutan.
Orangutan.
This is an orangutan.
This is an orangutan.
Capybara.
Capybara.
This is a capybara.
This is a capybara.